How to show when active on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right and then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings and click on privacy, and here you want to scroll down to the interactions section, and from there click on activity status, and here you want to turn on the show activity status toggle on. This way people will be able to see when you were last active and when you are currently active on Instagram. So that was it for this video. That's how you show when you are online on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.